The city of Kolkata has borne witness to the birth of many an iconic institution that has gone to shape the course of the country's history and heritage.
পরবর্তী স্টেশন নেতাজি ভবন, প্ল্যাটফর্ম রামদিকে।
The city has been the cultural and intellectual nerve center of the country. Today, Kolkata is constantly on the move, pulsing, ticking, buzzing with ingenious engineering marvels created by engineers, scientists and technocrats who have worked through the decades on creating cutting-edge technologies across every domain, from transport and communication to energy and manufacturing.
In its 150th year, the Institution of Engineering and Technology, IET, is on the front line working collaboratively with industry, academia and governments to engineer solutions for the world. The unit started its journey in a very humble way as the Institution of Electrical Engineers, Kolkata. In 2005, the IEE merged with the Institution of Incorporated Engineers and formed the IET here.
In 2006, the IET India office at Bangalore came into existence and started functioning. It took the administrative control on all the local branches of IET in India, and all the branches of IET in India were rebranded as IET Local Networks.
It has achieved global repute. It has obtained IET Pride Innovative Activity Award in London and Luna Vola from President of IET UK. IET means inspire, engage and transform. IET means engineer the society for betterment of life.
IET believes in the high standards of integrity and follows exemplary professional and ethical function. IET also believes in the empowerment of women and encourages to develop leadership skills among the young members. IET members set themselves a benchmark of excellence to challenge themselves in their work. I welcome more and more women members in our community of IET, and teamwork and collaboration are valued here, and they form the heart of all the activities of IET.
Today, IET Kolkata has many members, each of them guided by IET's core values: integrity, excellence, and teamwork. What is the overarching purpose of IET, one might ask?
Its aim is to improve the competency and skill of the Indian engineering community. The organization plays a key role in creating a future-ready workforce. They are expected to solve the societal challenges of national importance and stress on global sustainability.
For this, IET works with multiple stakeholders across sectors. The academia is one such key stakeholder.
IET Kolkata has around 1800 student members and a large fleet of corporate members. IET Kolkata cherish an excellent relationship with the University of Calcutta, Jadavpur University, IIST Shivpur, IIT Kharagpur, and also equally warm connectivity with private engineering colleges.
Michael Faraday IIT Summit started his journey in 2012. In 2013 and 2015, IIT Kolkata Local Network organized Michael Faraday IIT Summit. All the presented paper in the conference published in conference proceedings or in IIT Digital Library or in different reputed journals. It obtains its reputation in different global platforms. This year, IIT Kolkata Local Network celebrated its 75 years celebration. As a part of it, IIT Kolkata Local Network organized Michael Faraday India Summit in 2020.
IIT understands that and invests in nurturing young talent by giving them a platform to ideate, learn, and experience. IIT organizes continuous lectures, seminars, and workshops for the young engineers and corporate members.
I am working in this organization for 35 years. The company is more than 120 years old. The inception of the company is in 1897, started operations in 1899. So it's a cultural heritage company. Like the organization for which I am going to speak today, that's also a 75 years old organization, IEE, now commonly known as IET. We are really, really proud to be associated with IET for the last 75 years. Since inception, CSC feels proud to remain associated with such a noble engineering organizations, particularly in the field of engineering. We have so many members in IET as of now, and I do feel humbled, honored and privileged to have this opportunity to speak for this such a noble organization like IET.
IET right now has reached 150th year of its anniversary. The company or the organization started its journey long back. It started as IEEE in UK, and after 75 years it has reached in Calcutta to start first its Calcutta chapter. Right now the Calcutta chapter is also having 75th years of its existence. IET is activated with huge number of activities. We have got a large number of members. We do so many jobs for students, for companies who are working in industries, for the people who are engineers, for their development, for the students, for their development, and for various co-curricular activities. We are spread in 8 networks in India, and being the chairman of IIT Kolkata network, I feel that the frequency of our activities should increase, and we must reach to the people to the extent possible and try to elevate the technical standard of engineering community with regular organization of seminar, workshops, industry academia meeting, and so such activities which will help the engineering community to see a better future. As a whole, we will work engineering for the future.
IET can create a platform where young engineering minds can shine. In 2019, we started IIT Kolkata Young Engineering Award, where the undergrad students can showcase their final year projects.
IET Kolkata also hosts other year-round student activities that showcase a treasure trove of young talent and enterprise.
We have 7 on-campus student chapters, out of which 2 are IIT accredited. More than 10 workshops and 20 seminars are conducted every year.
Another mandatory IET student activity is Present Around the World, or PATW, a global competition for young engineers to develop and showcase their presentation skills, enhance their knowledge, and make invaluable connections.
This is an international competition which is subdivided into 3 categories: network level, regional level, and global level. Ms. Sudeshna Saha, one of the important participants in Kolkata Local Network, won the global title in 2014. Apart from PATW, we organize different technical quiz competition and a student volunteer conference, which is most awaited program for each and every student member.
Being a student member of IT exposed us to numerous events which helped me and graduates like me to develop a combination of technical insight as well as soft skills.
IIT on-campus chapter exposed us to the recent developments in research and allowed us to conduct them independently.
Beyond syllabus curriculum, from academics and industry person, improve technical upgradation, which opens the new horizon for ourselves.
Which really enhance the employability, and we are really benefited with the networking opportunities.
And IET, as a cohesive unit, is wholly invested in equipping engineers in their global quest for change, for a smarter, safer, and sustainable future.